This is 9 Alpha 3 Hotel Papa, your friendly Radio Elmer. The Echolink application, it's very simple to use. You see on my screen, on my phone, this Echolink application. And how to install it? Simple. Go to the Google, and on the Google you type Echolink application or Echolink app or just Echolink. When you open Google, in search you type in the Echolink, you will be got few results. You need Echolink application, and you have also Echolink for the computers. This is how to install application for mobile phone. And typing in the search engine, you got these results. Okay, you need first Echolink app. Click on this, and you will be got another screen. On another screen, you will be give you a possibility to install it. So when you click this lead you to the link Echolink. This is for mobile phone in the Google Play. It's safe. It's Google Play, and it's free, and only work with a licensed radio operator. You must have valid license to register on the Echolink. You can download, it's okay. You can install it, it's okay. But to register the Echolink, you need a valid radio amateur license. Why I this say? Because it's impossible that only 2 radios amateurs from Europe you can hear outside Europe. And this is when you install, just type open, click on the open, it will be open, and finish registration process. Installing and registration process. When you type open, it's installed. You need a registration, and after registration you can start use it. You can also on the computer make it, but this is for smartphone. Most people today use smartphone. It's handy using smartphone than computer wearing around. So much more simple is use Echolink application than Echolink software. And when you have registration, you have, for example, with Victor United 2 Echo Tango Delta repeater. They have a SCAD every day, twice a day. It's 18:00 at European time, and you can log in and wait for the SCAD. For example, there is a very interested. There is a people around the world. Many interesting people. Can be. It's not only from India. You can hear from America, from the other part of the world. You can hear many things, and Just pressing this transmit, you go to the transmit when you're free, and you can enjoy in the QSO. And that's all, folks. This is 9 Alpha 3 Hotel Papa, your friendly Radio Elmer. Welcome to the world of the Echolink and worldwide communication with other amateur radio stations. 73